Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. In this video, we are going to be learning how to redeem your Roblox code. To redeem a Roblox code, first of all, open up a web browser. Now go to the URL box and type in roblox.com/redeem. Also make sure to log in using your Roblox account's credential and you'll directly end up in this redeem box. Type down your gift card number or your redemption code in the text box below. Finally, click on redeem and you will then be able to redeem your gift card, your virtual item or your promo code on Roblox. So that is how super easy it is. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gaming for Beginners for more tutorials. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.